How come there's such little interest in the planet Venus? We can't go a few days here on planet Earth without hearing of something new with one of the gas giants and their moons, or hearing about the next mission to Mars, but no one talks about the planet Venus. I'm Applesauce the Space Octopus, and here we go with 8 crazy aspects of Venus. Number 1. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature is around 872 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to melt lead. Whoa, that'll turn you into calamari. But wait, you're probably thinking, Venus isn't the closest planet to the Sun. It shouldn't be the hottest. That's true. Venus is the second planet from the Sun after Mercury. But that brings us to number 2 on the list. The atmosphere of Venus is almost entirely carbon dioxide, at 96.5%. For comparison, Earth's atmosphere is only 0.04% carbon dioxide. That high carbon dioxide level is making a huge greenhouse effect, resulting in Venus being an absolute oven and therefore the hottest planet in the solar system. Number 3. This one might just be the weirdest. A day is how long it takes a planet to make one complete rotation on its axis. A year is how long it takes a planet to complete one full orbit around the Sun. It takes Venus about 225 Earth days to complete a year around the Sun. And ready for this? 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation or one full day. Yep, a Venus day is longer than a Venus year. That's just crazy. As you might expect, that's the longest day of any planet in the solar system. Number 4. And if this whole day thing couldn't get weirder, Venus rotates backwards compared to the other 6 planets in the solar system that have a vertical axis. On Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. Side note, all the planets in the solar system have a relatively vertical axis except for the planet Uranus. Get this, Uranus has a completely horizontal axis. Weird. Maybe we need to do a little research on Uranus in the near future. Number 5. The atmospheric pressure on the surface of Venus is unbearable for a human or even a cephalopod. The atmospheric pressure measures about 1,350 psi. Compare that to Earth with an atmospheric pressure of just under 15 psi at sea level. That's over 90 times the pressure on Venus compared to what is nice and comfortable here on Earth. Okay, so get this. A large male polar bear can weigh as much as 1,350 pounds. So if you were on the surface of Venus, it would feel like the weight of a full-grown male polar bear pushing on every single square inch of your body. Whoa, that would not feel good. Number 6. Venus is very similar in size to Earth and also has a very similar sized iron core, so it should have an internally generated magnetic field just like Earth, right? Nope, of course not. Not Venus. Venus does not have its own magnetic field protecting the planet from the Sun's harmful particles. Number 7. No moon for Venus. Instead, Venus has a quasi-moon, or quasi-satellite, named Zuzvi. Yep, a quasi-moon. Ever heard of such a thing? Yeah, no, me neither. Zuzvi, or however you say it, is an asteroid that is orbiting the Sun, but doing so right next to Venus. Number 8. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love. Perfect. A goddess of love is exactly how I would describe Venus after completing this research. And now I get it. Venus is just a weirdo, which is why there isn't much discussion about the planet Venus. See you tomorrow. Cheers.